Well, this is an interesting little piece. Again, Aynsley porcelain china. The characteristic design you'll probably recognise if you're a fan of Aynsley. Pembroke, and there's the mark. Aynsley, made in England, fine English bone china, Pembroke. A production of an 18th century Aynsley design. This one, we're going to do a little bit of research as to what it was intended for use for, whether it had an intended use at time of manufacture or whether it was from the gift range. It's got this metal hinged lid with the porcelain lid, still got its Aynsley sticker on there. It's quite faded out though, so I think that indicates it's been either on display somewhere in sunlight or is quite an old piece. Nice little bit of transfer design just on the inner lid. The hinge is really sound, it closes really nicely, needs a bit of a polish up on the metalwork, but as you can see here, in very fine working order. Probably well, I don't know what this was intended for use. It's not too big for a pill dispenser or holder. It's too small for a jam jar or mustard pot. I suppose it could be a mustard. We'll do a bit of research and see if we can find out if there are any guidance online as to what this was intended for use for. But it's a very pretty decorative little thing. Make a very nice dressing table ornament for keeping jewellery or rings or something. You'll find something to put in it, no doubt. I don't need to tell you what to use it for. It's nice enough in its own merits and in very fine condition. Aynsley Pembroke. Can't exactly say at this video without doing the research what it was. And it probably dates from late 20th century. Thanks for watching.